got a dream, you gotta protect it. People can't do something themselves.
I tried to do this before. I just want to do it right now as I feel like I'm so fly.
You want something? Go get
Hello?
it. Period.
Hello, am I in there?
Look, I've been down this road before, made it through with no detour. Where I'm from, we go to war. Not them tweets that Soldier Ball. Load up mine, you load up yours. What we need them soldiers for. Ride like I ain't rode before. I changed the name you know me for.
Spin it on.
Girls at the house, facts of life. Never Hollywood, I'm not about that acting life.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. It's Christmas
It's
Day.
just however do I want it, then it's back to life. Don't call my phone when she come home. Nigga, ask your wife. I killed the pussy, she come back to you.
In the afterlife.
You wanna share your
I need to bounce my old shit out. Merry Christmas. I'm thankful for life. Thankful for the family. Peace, love, and happiness to the world. You can see me. I'm about to grab the camera. You guys see me. Word. I just had the illest Christmas ever. Before Christmas, and today's Christmas. Real. We playing Fab. I need to play my own joint. Play my own joint. That's my Philly nigga. Peace to my Philly fam. Merry Christmas to Alabama. Merry Christmas to Cleveland, Columbus, Marietta. Merry Christmas to Inglewood, New Jersey. I gotta take the shades off. Peace and love, Merry Christmas. God body. We all is one in the flesh, is God body. In the spirit, He's the Almighty, all knowing, all seeing, all controlling. Love yours. I'm feeling it right now, I don't know. But yeah.
Wait, what's up?
Just it's Christmas. It's Christmas Day. I just had to bless. Like, come on, we blessed. We blessed. Look at us. We blessed. Things is about to change. I had to make a video. Yo, shout out to who I just spent Christmas with. Shout out to New Beginnings. Can you see me? Look. Peace and love. Shout out to New Beginnings. My phone ringing because I'm supposed to be in Jersey. I'm going to Jersey. See my grandmother and my whole family. That's where it started at. Let's see what's going on. My nigga Rodney, yo! Peace. Peace, King. What's going on?
Not much, man. You busy with family?
Nah. I was actually about to make moves to go see family. What up?
About to drive down to DC?
Nah, I'm going to Jersey to see grandma and all that.
Oh, true story. First off, Merry Christmas, dude.
Yo, Merry Christmas, man. Yo, I can't believe you just called me, dog. Yo, yo, what up, bro?
Yeah.
I got stories to tell, bro. Let's go.
I'm not even in town, though.
Where you at?
I'm still in Vegas, bro.
Of course. I'm in Brooklyn.
I know, you in New York, right?
Right.
So, look, if you were ever serious about taking a trip, now's the time to do so, dog. It might be a glitch in the system right now, but this fucking round trip flights to fucking Abu Dhabi for $200 out of New York. And like, me and like 20 other people already booked the flight and shit.
Woo!
No, but I mean, the shit is not until September, so we booked it mad far in advance.
Yeah, who cares?
Exact nigga, $200 round trip out of New York, direct flight.
Round trip. Yo, send me the link. Let's go. Send me the link. Let's go. I'm about to go to grandma's house right now, sad to say. Yo, let's go. Let's go.
I'm about to send you my itinerary.
And you know what's so ill about that? Yo, shout out to who I just spent Christmas with before Christmas. But this chick, right, she invited me. She said, you want to go to a wedding in June? And I was like, yeah, no doubt. She said, it's in St. Lucia. I was like, oh, shit.
What?
Word. it's in St. Lucia. I'm like, I want you to be my +1. I'm like, woo. I'm like, yeah, I'm with it. I'm with it. So, yo, that had me be like, I have to get a passport. Like, it's going down. It's got to happen. I got to get a passport.
Get that passport and get that thing tatted up.
Word. So I'm on it.
And the craziest thing about it is, the dates for this Abu Dhabi trip, it's in between your birthday, September 8th to the 15th.
Oh my God.
So it's like a birthday trip to you.
Yeah, hell yeah. And I'll be turning 30, man.